Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we have a little product review to do from Modelones. It's got a brush, and I think there are pigments in here. Let's open this and check it out. There are 6 little pots, and let's open these to see what we got. Put those bags here. Oh, looky here. Looky. This is number 6. Let me open all of these, set these up, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We have got out 6 little pots of chrome powder by Modelones. And I have got 6 fake nails with black gel polish by Modelones. So we're going to take nail one by one and check out their chrome polishes. This is number 1. Some of these little buggers, the lids are really hard to get off. So anybody who orders these, oh, look at that. That is so delish. Can you see the deliciousness? That is really pretty. Really pretty. I've never seen a chrome polish in this powders in this color before. This is just divine. Just divine. Look at this. Complete coverage. No qualms. Put the lid back on this one so I don't spill it. Again, this was number 1 from Modelones. Keep that brush over there so they don't get contaminated. It gives you also a little brush to... There we go. Set that off to the side there. We are going to go with, sorry for all the reaching, number 2. Like I was saying, some of these are really hard to get the lids off, so be prepared. Looky there. Looky. Oh yeah, look at that mirror effect. Oh yeah, this is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Burnish these in really good. Make sure the nail is completely covered. Get your little brush that came with. Look at there, it's number 2. Put your lids back on for no spillage. Let me bring this a little closer. Let's go in for number 3. This is number 3. Burnish. Cover those edges. A little goes a long way. You don't need a super whole lot to cover it and coat the nail. This is just gorgeous. Look at that finish. Complete coverage on the nail. We are going to be top coating. These are really beautiful. Give Model 1 some props for some very beautiful chrome powders. Oh, look at this one, iridescent D. Okay, here we go with this one. Oh, pretty, pretty. It's going to give the purple effect. It looks like purplish blue. Purple is my favorite color. One of. This is just beautiful. There we go with number 4. We have number 5 and 6 left. And they all do have the stickers on the bottom to match up. It comes with an eyeshadow applicator to rub these on, burnish them in. And you do need like a minimal sticky surface. Very minimal. Oh, this is beautiful. That is really beautiful. That. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I really, really like these. And this one gives like a blue mirrored effect. That is number 5. They are slightly shocking me with these. I'm very impressed. Well, here's one that's going to be a bugger to get open. Oh. Excuse me for being out of frame to open this one. Well, this one looks like it might be a brown. There's not too much in this one. This one looks like it's been dumped or something, but these are brand new to me. And this is a brown. But compared to the other ones, this is almost empty. Model 1s, you need to check your products. After I paid good money for this and I'm getting a pot that's almost empty. It's not cool. Not cool at all. You might want to check your, I don't know, your company and manufacturers. This is gorgeous. I've never seen a brown before. This is number 6. And to me, to the naked eye, it's got a brown chrome effect. Let me put these away. Kind of disappointed in number 6. It's basically empty almost. You ain't gonna get too many usages on number 6 out of this set. Hopefully yours won't be that way. These are all 6. Whoops, sorry, I'm not in frame. Look how beautiful those are. Wide variety of colors. Oh, I just love them. I'm going to top coat with, it is Top Coat, Steel Top Coat by Leaf U, which is a sub-brand of Model 1s. And I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to be right back. We are back. The nails have been top coated, put in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. Look, oops, look how beautiful those are. And again, these are Model 1 chrome nail powders. They are $13.79 on Amazon. There is a $2 off coupon, which I advise you to use. Great product. I am very pleased with these. My next video with these is going to see if they work well on regular polish. So we shall see about that. That'll probably be for next week. But these are beautiful. Look at how gorgeous those are. You could do stamping on these. You could do some freehand on these. They're just gorgeous. I love all the different colors. A little partial to the brown down here, the last one. I really like this a lot. Really pretty. I like them all. Can't say anything bad about any of them. They all have their own unique look. But I really think these are beautiful. You got your bluish purple right here. Look at how gorgeous that is. I think this one's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Partial to that one. Also partial to this one here. I can see me sporting this one here. Could so see it. So let me recap here. We have got 6 chrome powders by Modelones. Goes over gel polish. And it is a yay. Whoops, let me get in frame here. 6 chrome powders. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button. Also click the bell off to the right and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday is the original Sheet Modern Saturday series. A little tongue twister for me there. But check all those out. Check out my Saturday videos. They're pretty cool, if I don't say so myself. A lot of different things I get into. And through the week as well. Well, this is all for today for this video for Modelones. Have a blessed day. Thank you.